Allison live from the Fireplace Center and Patio Shop, and we have a winner of the Father's Day Barbecue Build-Off. Let's go over here. PJ's behind the camera. Nick, congratulations, man.
Hey, thank you. Appreciate it.
So you got yours together in 25 minutes. That's got to be some kind of record somewhere.
That was pretty fun, actually.
So can I ask you about something that you had different from everybody else? Can I ask you about that?
Sure.
Okay. So you had just tell us.
I had safety glasses on. I lost an eye to cancer a bunch of years ago, so now if I'm around sharp edges of any kind, I don't risk it and I wear my glasses.
So he had one eye, everybody else had two eyes, and he won.
Oh, that's not fair.
But you're nice enough to help this gentleman out to get his barbecue put together.